Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I have your favorite video, the Hermes unboxing, and I have a very special bag to unbox today. It is my holy grail bag, the Mini Kelly. I cannot believe that I actually scored it, and I'm just beyond myself because I only have one bag in my wish list for this year, and just so that you know, I haven't scored any bag since the beginning of the year, and so I was really excited that I actually got offered this bag. So I'm going to tell you all the story of how long I waited and what else that I purchased before I got offered this bag. But guys, I mean, all know how hard it is to get a Mini Kelly these days. So I just cannot wait to show you what I have inside of this little orange box. But before that, let's also unbox the other items that I got from the Hermes boutique. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I would love to have you join this little YouTube family or this YouTube community here, as I do a lot of unboxing videos, review of the handbags, luxury goods, or some jewelries and watches. So if you're into luxury, into fashion as me, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we can be friends on YouTube. Okay, let me show you what I got. So first of all, can you guess from the shape of the box? Ta-da! Yes, it is a gorgeous Twilly from this collection. I think this is one of the most popular Twilly that they introduced this season. I know there's other styles that people are interested in, but for me, I think this is just a perfect match to the bag that I'm going to unbox really soon. So I picked up this Twilly. Actually, my sales associate, she kind of introduced to me, and she believed that this will match my bag perfectly. So, okay, let's put this aside, and I'm going to show you what else that I got. So this is pretty heavy, and you may guess from the shape of the box that this is also a Hermes jewelry. So do you know what it is? By the way, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm super into Hermes jewelry, especially the Hermes gold jewelry, and the ones with diamond. Even my wedding ring, as you can see here, it has this H logo here. So this is also from the wedding collection that Hermes introduced, I think, in 2020. And because I got married in 2020, and my husband initial is his last name start with a H. So I think this is just a perfect wedding band for both of us. We're just really happy because it wears so comfortably on the finger, and I just really overall love the quality of Hermes jewelry. So this is another piece that I picked for myself. I've been waiting for this for almost a year and a half now, because it's pretty much sold out everywhere, and my sales associate had to order it for me, and after a year and a half, it finally came. So let me show you. Ooh, it's quite tight. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. So this is the Hermes in chain necklace in white gold and with some little diamonds. This is so cute. And guys, when I first ordered the necklace, it was retail at $4,800 US. But if you saw my last video, you know that all Hermes fine jewelries, they went through a price increase literally on August 1st. And I'm filming this video in August, so this necklace just went through a price increase, and now it's retail at $5,350. So it's pretty much 10% higher than what it used to be. But for me anyways, I think I'm already pretty happy that I actually got this necklace, because I thought for some time that it got discontinued, because I've been waited for a year and a half before I actually got this necklace. And then And because of it, I also got the call from my sales associate and offered me like the mini Kelly. So I'm really happy. And I feel like the white gold really matches well with my, engagement ring and my wedding band. What do you think? And also my AP watch. Guys, if you notice, this is also a new watch from AP. So again, if you're into luxury watches like me, and if you're interested in learning about like, AP, Rolex, or Patek watches for women, definitely comment down below and let me know. Okay, I'm not going to spend too much time rambling. I know you all are eager to find out what's in this big orange box. So I'm not going to wait any longer. Let's just unbox it together. So I've already told you that this is a mini Kelly. So can you guess what leather it is in? And also, what's the color of the mini Kelly? So please take a pause the video and comment down below and let me know whether you guessed it right. And I know, some people have preference of whether they want something more of a neutral color or like something that is more of a fun color. So take a guess, and I love to see like whether you think I'm more of a, fun color type of girl or, a neutral girl. So yes, comment down below. And are you ready? Okay, introducing, ta-da! Oh my gosh, introducing my mini Kelly in the color Vert Veron, and this is in chef Mysore leather with palladium hardware. Guys, I'm so happy. To be honest, like this is like the second time I'm doing the unboxing. Like when I actually got it in my hand, I just cannot wait to open it. So, but every time when I see this, I'm just like, it's like speechless. I'm just like really happy. So let me just open it up for you because inside it is more surprising. It is actually a Verso bag. So I've already told you like the outside color of this bag is in Vert Veron. So I think it is more of a bluish, bluish green color. Like for me, like now it answered the question that I posted a minute ago, right? Am I a more fun color girl, or like do I prefer neutral color more? So obviously the answer is I love colors, especially the colors from Hermes, because I do believe that Hermes is just brilliant with colors. All the colors they introduce are just like so gorgeous. There's no ugly color from Hermes. And as you have seen, yes, the interior is actually in a completely different color. It's in this gorgeous blue. I think it's called Blue Zanzibar. I remember, yeah, I believe that's the name. So let me just take off all the protective stickers. Yeah, I've already removed some of the stickers when I first unboxed it. So let me just take everything off so that you can see this bag very clearly. So I just absolutely adore this color. I always wanted a green bag. For some reason, I think this year is the year for green bags. A lot of brands like Chanel, like Dior, they all introduce like a green color bag. And I think for me, like I feel like Hermes have like a gorgeous like color palette, and the green, I don't see like any ugly green color. Like I think Cactus from Hermes is gorgeous, and they also have like Vertic that I just unboxed with my friend. Her Kelly 28 is in this gorgeous avocado green color, and the Vert Veron that I got, I'm just like I love this color. Like I'm sure like you remember that I once got offered Birkin 25 in the gorgeous malachite color. And I still regret to this day because I turned it down because I thought, oh, I think green color matches better with gold hardware. And I regretted it so much because like malachite, I feel like they've already discontinued it. I haven't seen, that color from the boutique in the recent 2 years since I declined that offer. And to be honest, I now find, you know, green matches really well with the silver or the palladium hardware. So if, you know, like time go back to like 2 years ago when I first got offered that malachite, you know, Birkin 25, I'll definitely snap it. So inside, it has like this little strap, and let me show you really quickly. So for mini Kelly, it is really small. See how it compares to my hand. But guys, I try it, you know, like the bigger size iPhone, the iPhone Plus, you can easily put it inside of this bag. So it actually fits a lot. I mean like the daily essential, obviously. So, but if you have like a much bigger phone, like, then probably it will be kind of difficult to fit it. But the fact that it can fit my phone, I feel like this is way more than enough for me. Inside is just like one single compartment. So it's kind of like a car slot in the back. And the interior is like really soft. I think this should be Swift leather if I get it right. And I just love the contrast, especially like this is my first Kelly bag, so all my Birkin bags, they're open toed, so they don't have like kind of like a flap. And for this one, because like what's so special is this is a Verso, so it's bicolor, and when you open it up, oh my gosh, I feel like, yeah, it's just like quite unique, you know. And on the bottom, it has like 4 little feet. And I just love it. Not all Kelly bags come with the 4 feet. For example, like the Kelly Dance, although it is also part of the Kelly family, it doesn't come with the 4 feet at the bottom. And similarly, because this is Mini Kelly 2, right? Also, like there's Mini Kelly 1, where a lot of people call it the Kelly Pochette. For that, it doesn't come with like the 4 feet. I actually quite like, you know, the 4 feet that come with the Mini Kelly 2, because I feel like this is just like a smaller version, like a kind of like a mini version of the regular Kelly bag. And let me show you the strap. And I just realized how tiny, you know, these straps are. And yeah, it's actually a little bit hard to kind of like, you know, snap it. I will try that later. And yeah, guys, I'm just so happy that I got offered this bag. Again, as I said, I think patience is the key. I've been waiting for this bag for like, you know, more than a year now. So I think it's just like no surprise. And for me, like, because I only have this, you know, on my wish list, so I work with my sales associate for years, and she really knows me well. And I really like also trust her for like, you know, trying her best to kind of like get a Mini Kelly for me. I'm just like really happy that it finally happened, and it came with, you know, like in the color that my favorites, actually like the green color is on top of the list. And I was like telling my sales associate that I would love to have a green color, you know, Mini Kelly. So, and she made my dream come true. So yeah, I just want to share the happiness with you. As you can hear from my voice, I'm really just like happy at the moment. If you want to see more videos of the Mini Kelly, for example, how I style it, how it looks on me, some mug shots, and also like what fits inside, please comment down below and let me know, and I'll be happy to do more videos, or perhaps a comparison of the Mini Kelly with my Constance and with my Birkin 25. So if you want to see more videos of that, please, yeah, definitely let me know, and I'll happy to do more videos for you. All right, guys. That's it for today's video. I'm so excited, and if you liked today's video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys!